Hey Glam fam, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about something that may be personal to a lot of women. I did a lot of research on this specific topic in order to bring you guys this video because my body care routine is fairly simple and I wanted to make sure that I was giving you guys the right information because your girl always be smelling good, okay? So I felt like I had did enough research on this topic to share with you guys, and a lot of you all have also requested this particular video, so I could not just let it slide and not bring this information to you guys. So today we're going to be talking about the vajayjay and how to keep it smelling good and nice, because this is very important. A lot of y'all might not want to comment under this video for whatever reason, but if you love me and if you're watching, go ahead and put a star down below anyway, because you guys, I have did a lot of research on this specific topic. So let's get it popping. So one of the first things that you want to do for your girl down there is make sure that you practice a good hygiene. Bathe the area in between your legs, which I don't feel like it's something that I should have to say, but a gentle washcloth will do the job. It is a very important to wash down there. Make sure that you find a soap that works for you. I typically love Dow soap. I also love Castile soap. Make sure that you're using a soap that is gentle enough for that area and that will not cause any issues down there. And of course, the inside of the vajayjay, I don't want to use the vagina word because I don't know how YouTube is gonna react to that, but the inside of the vajayjay doesn't need to be clean. It's self-cleaning, as we all know. If you're not aware of that, then there you go, there's the information. Just make sure that you keep it clean and groomed up on the outer portion, okay? Inside is fine, okay, but the outer portion, keep that clean, baby girl. And one of the ways to do that is by practicing great hygiene. Now make sure that you use only exterior deodorizing products. Now what do I mean by that? A lot of you guys may be wondering. If you want to use any sprays or perfumes on this area, make sure that it's only outside of the labia, not near the vajayjay. Do not insert them inside because honey, you're gonna have a whirlwind of problems if you do that. These products can upset your natural chemistry and lead to bigger problems, even bigger than just the odor that a lot of you guys may be inquiring about. So definitely make sure that you do not, I said do not do that. Now if you're keeping up with a proper hygiene routine, this should not be something that I have to tell you, but make sure that you are changing your underwear. If you normally wear satin, silk, or polyester underwear, make sure that you switch over to 100% cotton. Cotton is of course a breathable fabric and does an excellent job with fluids and sweat from your body. Excess moisture can upset your natural bacteria levels and lead to infections, which none of us don't want no parts in. Now in this house, essential oils are essential, and essential oils can work for a ton of different things. I mean, they're called essential oils for a reason. Duh. Some essential oils have antifungal and antimicrobial properties that may help reduce and eliminate bacteria. But this is something that I do want to say. Never apply essential oils directly to your skin without diluting them first. Make sure that you're diluting them with a carrier oil such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, any oil that has some moisture to it. Now if none of these things on this list work for you, it may be time to see your doctor. If you're suffering from any type of fishy odors or anything outside of the normal that you can't just wash away, then it's time for you to, you know, make sure that everything is right and in check down there, because it is very important to take care of your body. It is very important to smell good and for everything to actually be good. So if you're struggling with the scent that you just can't get rid of, make sure to see your doctor, because of course typically a fishy smell is a sign of an infection, and this is all over the internet. You can literally just research it and you will find that this is a red flag, okay? We talking about red flags nowadays. This right here is a red flag, okay? So I just want to let you all know that at some point, if none of these things that I mentioned earlier are working for you, make sure that you see your doctor. A few ways to keep everything in check down there is maintain a healthy diet. A lot of you all may not know this, but your diet affects your body more than you know. Aim to eat more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. A balanced diet makes for a healthy body, and this includes your girl down there as well. Make sure that you are staying hydrated. This is extremely important for all parts of the body. Drinking plenty of water is good for more than just your skin. It's great for your vajayjay as well. Make sure that you avoid douches and scrubs. You might think that they'll help to eliminate bad bacteria, but they also help to eliminate good bacteria, and we do not want that. So make sure that you avoid these two at all costs. And this is something that I shouldn't have to say, but make sure that you're washing your genital area before and after intercourse. This is extremely important, you guys. Cutting out tight clothes will also help, because a lot of times tight clothes can tend to suffocate the area of the vajayjay. So you definitely want to make sure that you're not invading her space, okay? And by wearing tight clothes, sometimes you can do that. So you guys, I had to do a lot of research on this specific topic, because I was raised by a mama that taught me, no, you can't use that, you can't use that, you gotta stick to this. That's why I've been so hooked on Dow soap my whole entire life. Like whenever I do my shower routines, I always tell you all, all I really use down there is Dow soap, and that has worked for me. Like I've never had any issues with odor, because my mama, honey, my mama, this was something that she made sure that she taught me. If you are not aware of these specific things, I hope that this video helped you out. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up. You don't have to comment down below your personal business. You could just leave a star if you want to, or you can share some things that have worked for you with some of the other ladies down below. They probably love to hear a little bit of your information. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. This was a bit of a serious video, because I feel like this is a serious topic that every woman should know about.